itong chismis na to, no? Kahapon, I was playing badminton. Yesterday night, I was playing badminton. And then suddenly, my friends messaged me and told me like, oh my God, are you still awake, friend? Because the ex-girlfriend of Anthony Jennings just posted a lot of story credits. So I was like, damn. So I stopped playing badminton, you know. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna check this out. So when I stopped playing badminton, I went to my Instagram account, and then suddenly, oh my God, it's straight English with proper grammar. And I was like, OMG, what kind of chismis is this? I'm not used to this chismis. Like, straight English with proper wordings, with proper grammar, with proper punctuation. What the hell? Shook ako.